Alright guys, today I'm going to mount these Kolpin Rhino grip gun mounts under here. I've seen a lot of guys do this and I've never seen a video of anybody doing it, and I thought it might be helpful to make a little how-to video. So we're going to do that. I know there's a lot of different options for where you can mount your guns. You can seat belt in this gun mount that other people have. And anyways, I like this idea because they're out of the way and nobody sees them and they're always there. So anyways, let's get started. So the first thing you gotta do is remove the seat pad off the seat frame. And there's 4 Torx heads on here. There's one here. There's one down below right there, and then 2 on the other side, same place. So there's 4 holding it on there. So I'm gonna zip those off real quick. Okay, so what comes in the kit is you got this, which is gonna go under there, and it comes with this bracket here, which is gonna go right here. Okay, so I did one side already. It's loose. But you can see the kit comes with the gun mount and a bracket that goes on the back, and then just your screws and stuff. So pretty simple. So you can see the bolt heads are just hitting on that piece right there and on that piece right there. So I'm just gonna trim those 2 little pieces off, and that should give us what we need. All right, so I do a little more trimming. I need to go clean it up with the Dremel. This is just kind of rough. You had to trim this fin here, and this, and then trim these off right there. Then it'll fit down flush. So I'm gonna go Dremel those out and get her all buttoned up, but that's it. You just gotta take the seat pad off and then just screw these on right there and trim that off and just put it back together. So that way you have 2 gun mounts that are just hidden below. And if you want to use them, just flip that up and hopefully everything stays put. So here's the finished product. Couple guns in there. Got a shotgun, a 270. Anyways, I haven't been for a ride yet, but it seems pretty solid. Need to go hit some bumpy trails with those there and see how they go. The only thing I would worry about is if your gun doesn't have like a rubber butt plate on the bottom or something, you might want to put some rubber down on the floor. And the scope can cause an issue depending, I think I got the gun in there backwards, so I could loop this strap underneath the scope and strap it in. So for me that works. I don't see an issue doing that at all, but whatever. I think it's pretty slick.